Dear students, in the last section we have seen some problems on time and work. In this section we will see next problems on time and work. So the next problem is A and B can do a piece of work in 18 days, B and C can do it in 24 days, A and C can do it in 36 days. So in how many days will A, B and C finish it working together and separately? So we have to find out the days together as well as separately. So first is A plus B. So A plus B's 1 day work is 1 by 18. Likewise, B and C's 1 day work is 1 by 24. A plus C's 1 day work is 1 by 36. So if we add this, the left hand side is 2 plus ABC's is equal to 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon 36. So here the LCM is 72. The LCM of these three, 18, 24 and 36 is 72. So here we will multiply by 2, here 3 and here 4. So it is 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 7 by 70. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9 by 72 means 1 by 8. So we will get the equation as 2 into A plus B plus C is equal to 1 by 8. So this 2 is multiplied here. We will in the next step we will send this in the right side. So it is 1 upon 8 upon 2 means 1 upon 8 into 2. So it is 1 upon 16. So A, B and C together can finish the work in 16 days. Okay. Now we have to find out the separately days if they work separately. So now A's 1 day work is equal to A plus B plus C minus B plus C. So it is 1 upon 16 minus 1 upon 24 is 1 by 4. So A alone can finish the work in 48 days. Similarly, B's 1 day work is equal to A plus B plus C minus A plus B. So A plus B plus C is 1 upon 16 and A plus C is 1 upon 36. So it is 1 upon 16 minus 1 upon 36 is 5 upon 144. So B alone can finish the work in 144 divided by 5 means 28 days and 28 and 4 upon 5 days. Similarly for C, so C's 1 day work is 1 upon 16 means A plus B plus C minus A plus B. So A plus B plus C is 1 upon 16 minus A plus B is 1 upon 18. Okay, 1 upon 18. So C's 1 day work is equal to 1 upon 16 minus 1 upon 18 is 1 upon 144. So C alone can finish the work in 144 days. Okay. Now the next problem is problem 5. A is twice as good as a workman as B and together they finish a piece of work in 18 days. So in how many days will A alone finish the work? So A's 1 day work and we will write the ratio of A's 1 day work and B's 1 day work as 2:1 as B. A is twice as good as workman as B. So we will write 2:1. A plus B's 1 day work as they finished the piece of work in 18 days. So we will write A plus B's 1 day work is 1 upon 8. So we will divide this 1 upon 18 in 2:1. So we will find the A's 1 day work is equal to 1 upon 18 into 2 upon 3. Why 2 upon 3? As A is twice good and the addition of this 2 plus 1 is 3. So 1 upon 18 into 2 by 3 is 1 upon 27. So A alone can finish the work in 27 days. Sixth problem is A can do a certain job in 12 days. B is 60% more efficient than A. So how many days does B alone take to do the same job? Okay. So ratio of time, as B is 60% more efficient than A, the ratio of time taken by A and B we will write as 160 as to 100. 160 to 100. So it is 8 as to 5. Okay. Suppose B alone takes x days to do the job. Okay. So we will write as 8 as to 5 is equal to 12 as to x. 12 as to x. So we will write as this 8 as to 5 and 12 as to x means 8 upon 5 is equal to 12 upon x. So it is 8x into 12 into 5 means 8x is equal to 60. So x is equal to 7.5 days. Next is A can do a piece of work in 80 days. He works at it for 10 days and then B alone finishes the remaining work in 42 days. So in how much time will A and B working together finish the work? Okay. So first 10 days A work and after that B work on that job or that piece of work. So work done by A in 10 days is 1 upon 18, as the work is 1 upon 18 into 10. So it is 1 by 8. So remaining work, as 1 upon 8 work is done by A. So remaining work is 1 upon 1 minus 8 is 7 by 8. So this remaining work is done by B in 42 days. That is 7 by 8 work is done in by B in 42 days. Okay. So whole work will be done by B in 42 into 8 by 7, as this is the 7 by 8 work. So time is 8 by 7. So 42 into 8 by 7 is 48 days. So B will do that work in 48 days. So A's 1 day work is 1 by 18 and B's 1 day work is 1 by 14. So together we will add this. So A plus B's 1 day work is equal to 1 upon 80 plus 1 upon 48. So LCM is 240. So the answer is 8 upon 240 means 1 upon 30. Okay. Hence both A and B will finish that work in 30 days. Okay. Next problem we will see in the next session. Thank you.